Good morning, my student. Today we will learn about the introduction of shallow foundation. As you know, foundation is the lowest part of building. The function of foundation is to transfer the load from upper structure to the ground. I think it is quite similar with the girls' makeup, like foundation. Before they put the compact powder, firstly they will put foundation to make the face become prettier and the powder not easily to fade. It's quite similar with the foundation in civil engineering. The same objective as the foundation in girls' makeup. It makes the building become strong and rigid. Foundation are divided into two parts. First, shallow foundation, and the second is deep foundation. It is said shallow foundation if the value of depth per width is smaller than 5. Shallow foundation is more economical, easy to construct, and the transfers load mostly by end bearing. The procedure or implementation method is quite simple. Comparing to the deep foundation, it is said deep foundation if the length per width or diameter is larger than 10, and generally more expensive than shallow foundation and more complex to construct. The transfer load by end bearing and skin friction. Shallow foundation is constructed near the surface of earth, and the deep foundation is constructed at a great depth below of the surface of earth. In this semester, we will learn about shallow foundation, and in the next semester, we will learn about deep foundation. Shallow foundation are divided into several types, such as square, rectangular, and circular. These three types are used to support columns and to transmit and distribute their loads to the soil. Combined footing usually support 2 or 3 columns. Combined footing mostly used when the two of columns are so close, so the single footing cannot be used. Continuous footing is commonly used as a foundation of load-bearing walls. The footing usually has twice the width as the load-bearing wall. Sometimes it is even wider. The width as well as the type of reinforcements are depending on the bearing capacity of the foundation soil. Mat or raft foundation is thick concrete slab resting on a large area of soil reinforced with steel, supporting columns or walls and transfer loads from the structure to the soil. Mat or raft foundation is generally used to support structure like residential or commercial building, where soil condition is poor, storage tanks, silos, foundation for heavy industrial equipment. As a civil engineer, we must be able to design and construct the shallow foundation. Here are several steps that you have to know to make a right choice to design a foundation. First, soil condition. Before designing which type of foundation we want to use, we have to check the condition of soil by testing the soil in laboratory or field testing. From this data, we can start designing our foundation. 2. Limits due to construction. After examining our soil, it is necessary to know what type of building we want to build. Is it an apartment or a house? From this step, we can make sure that the type of foundation that we have chosen is the right choice. 3. The condition of surrounding area. Furthermore, the condition of surrounding area also plays an important role. Before build our building, we have to know how's the condition of our project. 4. Time and cost. From our design, we can calculate how many time and how much money it needs to be finished. 5. Stiff and strong. Make sure that your foundation is stiff and strong enough so the large settlement can be avoided. As you can see in this picture, the soil is ruptured. That's why before we design our construction, the laboratory and field checks are needed. See in this picture, for example, we design the foundation suitable for sandy soil, but the real condition in the field is silty soil. In the future, there will be several problems like large settlements. That's why when we design our foundation, we have to make sure that our design is suitable to the condition of soil. In designing our foundation, data analysis must be prepared well, like how many floors we want to build, what kind of material that we want to use, and etc. The condition of surrounding area also plays an important role. We have to know what kind of building beside of our building project, because the building will affect our foundation and it can cause cracks and large settlement, especially in a soft clay area. Please give your opinion about the picture above and put your comment on this link below. See you next week. Thank you.